Okay, and wanted to show you the last thing we're going to be doing today. Try to do. Yeah, so it's our window. So it's a nice view. They're nice windows, but for the longest time, I couldn't figure out how to get the windows open. You fit this weird little latch down here, and then I figured out it was, yeah, because there's no handles. So there's a little latch in there. Opens fine, but can't do it without a latch. So bought a latch. There we go. We're gonna try this out. I don't know where the other screw is. Might be in my backpack somewhere. But we're gonna try this out. I only bought one because I didn't know it was gonna work. Let's see if they match up. Yeah, I can do that with one hand. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's do the bottom one. Yeah. So it looks like he'll match up. Yeah, it looks like it looks like it's the same one. So we'll do the bottom one for now. And cool. Holler at you when it's done. Yeah, so get the window open. Latch works. So those are the. You can see how it works here. Hold on. There you go. Woo! Woo! Okay, that worked fine. I don't think I've drilled new holes or anything, but like this stupid thing is, I need to get rid of this. Yeah, so let me work on that. I'll come back to it. Okay, all done, as you can see right there. Yeah, there we go. Yay. Good. So the funny thing is the screws that actually come with it were way too big. They actually were messing with the latch. So luckily I had these 20mm screws around, and then with a little bit of silicone in there, made the latch a little more user-friendly. Let's close the door and see how it does. Oh yeah, this little piece of wood came out. I'll glue this back on at some point. But yeah, there's that stupid latch. Let's close this. Oh, put the dumb latch up. Okay, there it is. Yep, all tight. And let's open it. Whoa, there we go. See, now that latch isn't really doing much. So I just need to get rid of that stupid thing. But yeah, there we go. This is what the desk is going to go. The editing desk. So thanks for watching. And yeah, if you got any suggestions, just drop them down in the comments there. It's just kind of still a little, that needs a bit more juice in them. But thanks. Oops. Okay, we'll see you.